I've been asked a number of times, Bob, in a nutshell, what is the Venus Cataclysm? What is it that I keep trying to explain to people? And the answer is that in antiquity, although in human memory, there was a cataclysm where the planet Venus came in close contact with the Earth. It left a rim like you would find if you threw a ball in mud across the Asian continent. And that rim formed the Himalayan mountain chain. And the heat of the event created the desertification, that is, the desert, the burning scar that you see in the surface leading up to the center scar, which is called the Tarim Basin. This whole thing is a rim in a cataclysm where Venus bounced off the surface of the Earth. The explanation of how that happened is electrical. That is to say that the kinetic energy of the two connections was translated electrically, and it left a circuit across the Earth that is just like a circuit you would find in a computer. These electrical images are just overlaid into already existing architecture created in the cataclysm. That is to say, these things look the same because they are the same. Those were then translated into mythology. That is to say, the people who experienced them continued the legacy of, the knowledge of the event by anthropomorphizing the event into the mythology itself. And so the direct mythology example that I use would be the Medusa mythology. In that mythology, Zeus sent Perseus to save Athena by decapitating Medusa where she slept. All of these can be explained electrically, and all of them are explaining what happened in a cataclysm with the planet Venus. So, in a nutshell, the Venus Cataclysm is the structure of, our entire society today, from our holidays to our traditions to our food preferences, right? And when we begin to recognize just how influenced we are today by the crisis of that event, we'll stop for a moment and perhaps move out of crisis mode and into a much more mature and sustainable adult mode. Peace out, everybody.